First, let's see how to remove the old gimbal bearing. This job cannot be done without this tool. Insert the bearing removal tool. "15 minutes later, out the old gimbal bearing, this is definitely a bad bearing. Other pieces of the old bearing. Time to install the new bearing. Make sure these 2 points are at the 10 and 4 o'clock positions, or future greasing won't work. Apply plenty of grease. Use this alignment tool to install the new bearing. This rubber ring prevents the metal sleeve from popping out during installation. Mark the starting point. "15 minutes later. Don't forget to remove the rubber ring or the bearing won't go in further. Double check the position of the new bearing. Perfect. This completes the gimbal bearing replacement.